Welcome to DisplayBly.com.
Today we are going to introduce an assembly process of edge LED backlight with wire connection. First, put the dedicated stainless steel mold onto the surface of the PCB and make the tin evenly cover on it. Second, put the PCB into the LED soldering machine and the LEDs will be automatically soldered onto the surface of the PCB by the machine. Third, let the PCB pass through the reflow solder machine to make LEDs fixed on the PCB. Fourth, quality test the LED lamps on the PCB before soldering the wires on PCB with tin. Fifth, put the reflection sheets on a special clamp as the first layer, the light guide plates as the second layer, and diffusion sheets as the third layer. Sixth, put the light blocking film on the edges of the light guide plates by hand. Seventh, install the PCB into the one short edge of the light guide plate by hand. Eighth, quality test. Check if there is any fault. Ninth, packing.
Thank you for watching, and contact us if you have any questions.